Hey y'all, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main wig reviews. So if you like what you see by the end of this video, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And we're gonna get right back.
Falling off lately. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just show me back. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Times I don't want you around. You do something to make me smile. And it's hard for me to try to doubt this feeling. Yeah, we could just walk away. Yeah, we could just stay away. The things I love about you, I can't change. No, 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 no. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. And the truth we done hiding. That's just the way we are. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just show me back. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Yeah, maybe we can go like that. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just show me mad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that.
Y'all say in that lingerie on that Chardonnay, scoring touchdowns on your runway. I'm Texas forever like boy, man, I'm Rambo in the yo. I'm Billy Rick like John Jack, I'm Camo in the yo. These thoughts can't stop me nowadays. You wish I was your pound cake. Boy, you know I look good at full. Wish I was your baby mom. Want me to go around and give you good karma, but no. We escalate up in this bitch like elevators. Of course, sometimes shit go down when it's $1 billion on an elevator. Of course, sometimes shit go down when it's $1 billion on an elevator.
So for today's collaboration, we are collaborating with LUVME Hair. I have been collaborating with them for the last couple of months. So if you haven't checked out any of these videos, make sure you guys check them out after you watch this one. Today's unit is the Brown Highlights Funmi Curly Glueless 5x5 Closure lace wig beginner friendly. That is the name of it. I do have it in the description box below. But you guys, it has 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, adjustable straps back there as well. It also comes with an elastic band that is adjustable to your head size. This unit is definitely giving glueless, but I will say over here, you know, it was flapping in the wind a little bit. I do think it needs a little bit more, you know, structure over here because I was struggling with the glueless part. As you can see, the rest of this unit is glueless. It is completely glueless over here. So I got this unit in 24 inches. It does come in a bunch of lengths: 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, and 26. I got 24 inches and I am loving these curls, you guys. It goes right through effortlessly. One thing about LUVME hair is that they have so many different units on their website and I love switching it up. So I was happy to get this beginner friendly highlighted wig. Y'all, I'm loving the curl pattern. The curls are soft, the hair is nice and thick, and I do like the undertone of the brown as well with the highlights on top. It's a ready to go wig. It's uncompromising quality and it's a really good price. So this unit does start on their website for $159, and that's for the 14 inches. It does go up with the length, but y'all, that's a steal, especially because these units last forever. They literally last forever. It's a great protective style, you guys. I love, you know, washing my hair and maintaining it, and just, you know, the low maintenance is it for me. So it's definitely a great protective style. It does come as a right C part, but it can be mild, you know, or you can make it like a side part the way I have it. You can also shift the wig a little in the middle and make it a middle part. It has pre-bleached knots and it's very soft and maintainable, you guys. The unit, the hair doesn't smell like it, just it feels like a pillow. So I do feel like the way that this is constructed right here, for some reason, you guys, it is giving me a little bit of trouble being completely glueless. I really almost want to just like glue a tiny little piece of glue bonder just right here. But as you guys can see, this unit is completely glueless. Completely glueless. And I have my, see, completely glueless. So, but I do feel like it's a little bit of a struggle on this side, just the way that it's constructed. For some reason, you know, this side looks a lot better, but I don't know, this piece is like kind of flapping in the wind. So, and I could just pull it over tighter, but still, I don't know. I might have to just finesse that a little bit. There we go. I had to finesse it. It's my camera. So there you have it. You do gotta finesse this side, but I do feel like it is completely glueless, and I'm loving that. You guys know I love me some plop and goes on my channel, and because I ran my fingers through it so much, I didn't want to mess up the curl pattern, so I did go in with a little bit of foam and water just to, you know, not have it look like frizzy, if that makes sense. So I do want to show you guys how this unit looks with a middle part. So we are going to create that. I could honestly just shift the wig, but I want to just show you guys how it looks with a middle part. And then I'm going to go blow dry just right here at the top, and I'll be right back. So I like the middle part more. I feel like middle parts are really, you know, for me, okay? As you guys can see, this unit is beautiful. It's luscious. It's still going through effortlessly, even though I added a little bit of product in there. But I am loving it. I'm loving the middle part. It's giving what it's supposed to give. The color is beautiful. Yeah. And once again, it's completely glueless. I feel like I can hide it more over here on this side, but you guys, it's completely glueless, and I love that. I love it. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I don't know if I have a coupon code, but if so, it will be in the description box below. Click the link and you can purchase this unit. Okay, Let me know what y'all think. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.